Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
We see several entertainers in the dancehall business leave dancehall and go over to Christianity. Yes, some of them go over and then backslide and come back to dancehall. But for the most part, a good amount of them go over and stay to Christianity. The most recent dancehall entertainer to go over to Christianity is none other than Destiny Sparta. If you don't know who Destiny Sparta is, she is a female dancehall artist. Well, should I say, former female dancehall artist who, you know, has been in the business for quite a while.
Riding, climb up for the hiking, him a my king. A girl try take him already riding. She have his camera like she do the dialing. It's smooth like an island, me now the time on me know the whole my man.
And most recently, Destiny Sparta released a video stating that she has given her life to the Lord. And this is what Destiny Sparta had to say in that video.
No, I don't want to be a Christian with force nothing down nobody's throat, because nobody could force nothing upon me until I was ready. The only thing I can do is talk about the love and the mercy of God and share my experience. No, I not go through a thing when I'm depressed for months. Usually I'm a social drinker, recreational drug user, and I find myself in a situation where the man them where they are run bar from, sun people till night come down, not have nothing upon me. When you smell me, you smell a real rumhead. I start smoke weed, which I used to smoke weed a long time ago, and I stop, and it reach a point where I'm dependent on it. If I not have the weed, all the stem, the little stem part of weed, I cut up and roll it in a Rizla. If I not have no Rizla, I roll it in a Bible leaf. That's how bad it got, real stocky business. Rum, cigarettes, weed, all day, every day. And me used to take some weight loss pill, fentanyl, and they make me high. And me live on them, me feet on them, always jugged up. Now, one night in particular, I decided to say, you know, I'm going to sleep with my mother, and I asked her to play some prayer for me. And she find a Cindy Trim prayer on YouTube, and she played. And while she was playing it, I find myself, I just go, I saw me behave, and like she think I was having a seizure. To me, what was happening is like one entity inside of me want to come out, but it can't come out. So the next day, I decided to go to church with her. Lo and behold, when I go to church with her now, the pastor had also called me, the first person reach up there, because I know something wrong with me. I've been known that there was something wrong with me. But this time I decided, say, you know what? I go to church and see what go on. Anyway, go up at the altar. From the pastor see me, she had tears in her eyes, and she said, I just want to hug you. She wasn't supposed to lay hands on whatever because of the COVID. So she prayed, and I drop on my butt. Then she walked, because there was a fence there, and she walked come around the fence, and she started praying. Because while she was still praying, when I fall and I dip on my butt, she was still praying, and the thing, whatever was happening to me the night before, it still happened. Me I stiff up. And she come around and she pray, and she lay her hands for me, and I remember she said, loose her! Loose her! She prayed. She was over me for a while. And when the Bible tells us that the unclean spirit left with a loud cry, no feel no joke thing. I was there, and me just I had on my mask, and me just and whatever in me come out, and me just drop on my head back, boom. And I feel weak, but I feel so relieved. And anyway, after that, I come home. I have no need, I have no urge to smoke, to drink, nothing. Everything, it's gone. Now, certain people now believe in a certain things, but let me tell you this. Ephesians 6 verse 12 tell us, say, we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. Certain things, very real, but always remember this. Jehovah is there waiting him. I mean, and stretch out, sir, and just a wait for us to hold on to it for help with to pull we out of any situation that we are going through. So, no care what you are doing in life, always pray, always keep God close, because nobody cannot convince me say God not real, because I've experienced. I've been through a lot. These are just one of them. But 2 weeks after that, I decided, so guess what? I do the right thing. I'm gonna get baptized, which is about a month now, and there's nothing else left in this world right now more than for me to walk with God and give him my praise.
Now, since you released that video, listen, it spread like wildfire all over the internet. Everybody starts spreading it to say Destiny Sparta is now a Christian and is no longer in dancehall. Well, just recently, Destiny Sparta leaked out some information and said, listen me, she has been in the business for quite a while and she figured out something, that dancehall music is the devil's playground. How much I didn't know that? Listen what Destiny Sparta has to say.
So, I was in the dancehall industry for a while, a very long time, and it's like every time I'm supposed to cross the finish line for go where I'm supposed to reach, it's like me can't reach. And all this time, God has sent me in a different direction, but me not look at him, because I know that me want to. 2 times I almost lose my life. And even then, I just do my own thing. It's like you have a parent and you have a child, and you pick me stubborn bad, pick me very bad, and you just let them make them do what they want to do. But at the end of the day, if something drastic supposed to happen, you're there for your child. Same thing. Gotta watch me, I do my foolishness them, but he must say, yeah man, go on man, but anytime I butt me to, him comes so, hey, come here. You want like you know no sense more while, but guess what? There is purpose on your life. Me not make nothing happen to you, because there's purpose on your life. You need to take the scale them from off of your eye and walk into your divine purpose. Let me tell you something. Dancehall industry is the devil's playground. There is no love, no genuine love for one another. There's just self-seeking, whole heap of witchcraft. People will do anything and almost anything and everything to reach to the top and stay at the top, and stay a foot. Crab in a barrel. You hear that all the time. It's no joke. You see artists and you say, oh, I want to be like this person. Because you like what you see and you want all the perks that comes with being an artist. Let me tell you this, whole heap of artists stress out like Aloysius under the mango tree. Yeah. After a while, it becomes emotionally exhausting. You feel look, everybody look at each other so with a side eye, because there's no love. After a while, you get drained. As women, enough of we're talented, we have sense, we're smart, we're educated, but we go after the narrative that says sex sell. And so we sell ourselves short. We sing all kind of foolishness, we do all kind of foolishness, we get views and likes. You understand? I mean, not bash nobody, because nobody not sing foolishness like me. And I'm saying all of this to say this. Sometimes we have to sit down, do some self-reflection, self-evaluation, do some soul searching and find back with self, because enough of we lost. People are walk around with this overly inflated ego. This is like you have a godlike complex and you need to come back to earth, get back to earth, come out of ego and go into God. It says, seek ye first the kingdom of heaven and everything else shall be added.
More officers big up to Destiny Sparta on her journey and wish her the best, because, you know, listen, being a Christian is not an easy one. It's not an easy road for travel. You understand? Especially coming from dancehall, and you know, say you have fans, you understand it's not going to be easy, but, you know, Destiny Sparta can do it. We've seen a Minister Marianne Hall do it, you understand, and she's standing firm. And listen, if Minister Marianne Hall can do it, remember, you know, man, Lady Saw was one of the most raunchiest female entertainers in the business, you know. And if she can do it, anybody can do it. See? But watch out, talk to me about what you say, what Sparta say about dancehall being the devil's playground. I want to talk to me down in the comment section, tell me what you think about that. I want to hear phone views and opinion upon that. Alright? Until next time, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't make nobody stop you. If this is your first time here and you don't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Want to boost traffic to your business or get more ears listening to your music? Don't know where to start? Let us help you. Advertise with Unstoppable Media and get noticed today. Contact us at 876-420-3368 or email us at xtrailplayer@gmail.com. That's xtrailplayer@gmail.com. Let us put you in front of our audience today.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.